Everything about WhatsApp broadcast, how to use and send the bulk messages. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. For this process, what you have to do is just go to your WhatsApp application on your device and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then here you can see the option of new broadcast. Tap on new broadcast and here you can choose up to 200 or maximum. So I'm going to choose any one and I shall choose two more over here. So I'm going to choose two contacts. So here it has been created a broadcast group which is gonna be visible only to you, and it is not going to be visible to the recipients. So I'm just gonna send a message over here as hey. So I'm gonna see if this message has reached to both the recipients or not. So I'm gonna go back and look for the person. So here I've sent the message to this person, and beside the message you can see this little icon of the broadcast, which means that this message has been sent via a broadcast group or broadcast channel. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.